My name is Paige Hale, and I'm the Elementary Guidance Counselor and School Psychologist for the Model Laboratory School. Today, I have the confidentiality training that anyone who wants to volunteer at the school, either in the child's classroom or on a field trip, has to complete. It will only take between 10 and 15 minutes, and that's watching the video and answering the questions. So why do we have confidentiality training? First of all, federal laws require this. They include FERPA, which is the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, IDEIA, the Individuals with Disabilities Education Improvement Act of 2004, HIPAA, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, and the Kentucky Administrative Regulations. What is confidentiality, and what constitutes confidential information? Confidentiality is the protection of all personally identifiable data, information, and records collected, used, or maintained by an agency, and in this case, Model Laboratory School is an agency. Confidentiality requirements also apply to discussions about a student and the student's records. What are educational records? They include personal and family data, evaluation and test data, progress reports, report cards, work samples, and attendance records. They also include written accounts of parent-teacher conferences and digital recordings, such as what many of us take on our phones. What are educational records? They include medical records, individual education plans or IEPs, records maintained by other agencies such as the local health department, private physical therapy or occupational therapy services received outside of school, information the agency uses for educational purposes such as psychiatric or mental health records or reports, and also discipline records. What does personally identifiable information mean? It could include the name of this child or student, parent, or other family member, address of the child, a personal identification number such as one's social security number, and characteristics or other information to identify the child. To sum it up, students at Model Laboratory School have the right to expect information about them will be kept confidential by all volunteers. It's essentially the golden rule, but it's the golden rule backed up by law. Remember, you may not share information even with others who are genuinely interested in the child's welfare, such as their own family members. You may not share information with family members, yours or theirs. Refer any questions or concerns to the teacher, counselor, or principal. Thank you for volunteering for our school. We welcome you to join us as part of our educational team. Complete the background check form, sign the confidentiality form, and actually in this case the confidentiality form is what you will complete in this online survey, and let us know about your interest for volunteering. Congratulations! You have just completed the confidentiality training requirements for the Model Laboratory School. For more information, please contact Paige Hale, the Elementary Guidance Counselor and School Psychologist, or any of the other counselors or administrative assistants at the Model Laboratory School. Thank you so much.